Hi, myself Boopathi Raj. I'm from TVS. I came to know about Decibel through internet when I was searching for it. Basically, I'm a mechanical engineer. I want to an engine design engineer. So I want to go for a electrical EV segment. So when I was searching, I came to know about the Decibel Lab. And when I was looking in the website, it was pretty good, and the classes were taken in the YouTube was interesting. So then I was searching the contacts and get the details, and it was also convincing me to join the class. And after I joined the classes of was initially it was really good because they started with a very basic level of all the EV segment, like from cells to motor EV, and how we are calculating like 1D calculations, how it affect the vehicle and each performance wise how it is different. So that helped me to understand even more than in a better way. So that's it. And currently, after completing the first level, we are in a lab class. We have got good explanation about our lab.